I'm here to discuss to you about the two operating system, the Windows and the Linux. Compare and contrast Linux and Windows. For desktop or home use, Linux is very cheap or free, while Windows is expensive. For server use, Linux is very cheap compared to Windows. Microsoft allows a single copy of Windows to be used on only one computer. Starting with Windows XP, they use software to enforce this rule. In contrast, once you have purchased Linux, you can run it on any number of computers for Linux GUI is optional, while the Windows GUI is an integral component of the OS. Says that speed, efficiency, and reliability are all increased by running a server instance of Linux without a GUI. Something that server version of Windows cannot do. It points out that the touch nature of the Linux GUI makes remote control and remote administrator of a Linux computer a simpler and more natural than a Windows computer. The vast majority of malicious software runs on Windows. Windows users are burdened with the needs of antivirus and anti-spyware software. Linux users are not, because Linux has the notion of administrative root use that maintains and operates the system. The system defaults protect the operating system components from its user action. That features alone must account in a large degree of the dirt of viruses and other malicious vermin of Linux and Unix platforms. Windows, on the other hand, started life as a single-user system, with that single user being all-powerful. Although that's no longer the case, the general attitude can still be found in many Windows-based software products, many of which just can't be installed and or run properly without desktop administrator privilege. This is all changing for the better, but it took Microsoft far too long to adopt this default secure configuration practice. My criteria in choosing an operating system is 1. What will it be used for? First, think about that what OS will be used for. For example, a computer being used for business would require an OS that can handle important business data with ease. If the computer is being used for home and or school, then an OS designed for gaming with a good word processor would be best. Or if the computer were for a new use, then the best choice would be an simple, user-friendly operating system. The second is, what level of security do I need? Security, especially these days, is one of the highest priorities, whether it is for home or business. Not surprisingly, each OS has a different level of security that it provides. Microsoft Windows and Linux are widely viewed as the easiest operating system for computer hackers to get into, while the Mac OS X and Unix are labeled the most secured operating system around. Microsoft does try to make their operating system safer by consistently providing security updates, but hackers still manage to find their way through. The third is, which OS is the best one? A perfect operating system does not exist. Every OS has a positive and a negative point associated with it. Microsoft Windows is the operating system used by the majority of computer users despite its security flaws. The reason behind that is because it is easily the most compatible operating system, and it is also comes with other very useful softwares like Microsoft Word and Internet Explorer. Mac OS X is probably the top choices graphics design, but the biggest problem is that some programs can't run that Microsoft Windows can.